Hi there, it's Hélène with another video. This is my update on my rolling project pan, and I have a number of items for you and some progress. Maybe even a little bit more progress than in the last couple of updates. So if you're curious to see how it went, well then just stick around. So let's get this out of the way before we get into the video. If you like the contents of this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like the content on this channel in general, please consider subscribing. It would be awesome. So as is usually the case, I will show you progress that is non-existent, some progress, and also products that I have managed to finish, and I have some this time around, which is exciting. And then if there is anything that is replacing those products that are moving out of this project. As has been the case for a number of rolling project pan updates now, I will also have progress pictures at the end and also the weight changes on the total weight of the products in this rolling project pan. If you are curious to jump ahead to that, I will have a timestamp right here so that you can just take a look at those progress pictures. The first item, which is very difficult to measure right now because I have just introduced it in this project not that long ago, and it was brand new, is this talc-free mineral wear matte finishing veil from Physicians Formula. And as you can tell, there's quite a bit in here. It's going to take me a while to be able to show some progress. As well, I have been working on a brand new focus on Joe Fresh, and Joe Fresh has a couple of powders that I've been using, so I've been neglecting this one for the most part in this last month. Two other products that I really have not been using is this Dr. Brand No More Baggage little guy. I really thought I would be done by this update, but I just keep forgetting to use it. I will have to leave it front and center on my counter in the morning because it's one of the first steps, and then when I've started putting my makeup on, I don't feel like I can really go back and use that product, although I have done it once, but it just feels weird. Another one that I don't have progress on is this Aqua XL in M56 from Makeup Forever. I don't know why. I've used it a couple times as liner not that long ago, but I mean, a couple of uses for liner is not going to make a dent in this thing. I'm just going to keep it in the project. I really like it. I don't know why I haven't been using it, and I think that part of it is because I'm so focused on eye products from the brand new Focus series I'm working on that this one just gets neglected. Three other products that really have not been used because of my current brand new focus that displaces them is this NYX highlight, and it's, just show you the inside. So it's just this cream highlight that I'm using from NYX as a eye base, so eye primer, and it works just fine. I don't know why I didn't think of using it sooner. And then this Marc Jacobs black, it's called Blacker, and I am just not making any progress on it because I had a black liner in that project. And another product that I'm not making a whole lot of progress on, though I have used it some amount this month, is this Tarte Insight Blush. And my infamous 3 Tarte mini lipsticks. Let's start with this one today, which is the WCW Glossy Paint that I'm wearing today. And at least for now, it's not all over the place. The other glossy paint that I have is in Goals. And then finally, I have FOMO, which is a lip paint. Out of the 3, I can finally see a little bit of progress on the Goals glossy lip paint. And there's no way, I don't think you're going to be able to see it on camera, but I can actually see the side of the container. I don't know if it's going to show up for you, but it's the first bit of progress on these 3 that I have seen, and I'm super, super excited. A product that I have some progress on, but that is going to be making it out of this rolling project pan because it's getting too dark for me because of the change in seasons, is my butter bronzer. And this is what it looks like. And I keep thinking it's going to break on me because it has all those cracks. But definitely the pattern is decreasing on this one, and I am sad to have to move it out of the project, but I just need to be using bronzers that are more suited for my skin tone at this time of year. And I do have a lighter version, like the Butter Bronzer Light, but I decided to just park those for now and use them in the spring and summer of next year, just because I want to be able to use other bronzers. Next up is my CoverGirl Advanced Radiance Powder. I have been able to expand the second ring on this one. So pretty happy about that. And finally, 3 products that I have managed to finish. This one will not be a surprise because I had so little left last time around. It is now an empty pan. Woohoo! Another one that I managed to finish, which again should not be a surprise because I had so little left, is the Tarte Guard. Completely finished, very happy to do that. And well, happy and not happy, I really liked the product and I enjoyed using it every day, not a big deal. Yeah, I just liked it. Now, I wouldn't repurchase though because I have a lot of other BB CC creams that I'm trying to work through. I need to get through all of those before I consider buying any more BB or CC creams. Next up was the Sephora Beauty Amplifier Primer that I had depotted in this Laneige container. And you will see that it is wiped completely clean. Love it. That is it for products I finished and all the progress on my other products. And now to show you the products I'm introducing into the project. Brand new to this project and barely used is this Revlon Photo Ready BB Cream. It is a skin perfector with broad spectrum SPF 30 and it is in 01 Light. So this, I'm going to do the same thing as with the Tarte Guard and just focus on using it up. It is a much older BB cream in my collection, over a year old, and I just need to use it and move it out. The second and last product that I am introducing into this rolling project pan is this Lancôme Juicy Tubes Lip Gloss, an ultra shiny lip gloss. And the reason I'm bringing this product into this rolling project pan is because I really want to have a go-to gloss to use when I just out and about or in and around the house to make sure that I keep my lips moisturized. It is the winter coming on, and if it's in a project pan, I know that I will use it and protect my lips more than if I did not have something to focus on to use up. So that's the reason it is in the project. In the last project pan update, I had finished up with 288 grams on the scale. For this new update, I now have 277 grams. So it's a total of 11 grams of product used. I could not be happier. And now going into this new round of my rolling project pan, I am starting off with 250 grams. We will have to see how it all goes. I'm excited. I'm excited for the changeover in products. It's really nice to see that happen. And I'm excited because now that I'm pretty much done the Joe Fresh brand new focus, that there are some products that I've had to ignore because I was trying a bunch of new products that I can get back to and just double down and just get them done and over with because they're either older or there's not that much left and I just want to get them out of my makeup collection. So I'm looking forward to the next update because I suspect there's going to be some pretty good progress on these products. I hope you enjoyed those progress pictures. It is so exciting to see the change, isn't it? Whether it's my project or somebody else's, I always love to see those progress pictures. I thank you for your time today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I look forward to seeing you in that next video. But for now, take care.